8th standard English students. Now we are going to learn about direct indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech. Already we have learned the direct and indirect speech. Just we have to revise this grammar. So direct indirect speech, first we have to identify that kinds of sentence. So we have 4 kinds of sentence. First we have to recall the 4 kinds of sentence. Direct and indirect speech. First, statement. Second one is interrogative. Third one, imperative. And fourth one, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory. Okay. So statement, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. We have 4 types of sentence. Before we change from direct to indirect, from indirect to direct, just we have to see that kinds of sentence. So what type of sentence? Then we will see the tense forms. So that's rules and regulations. Okay. So statement and interrogative. First we are going to learn first state and interrogative. Statement and interrogative, and then we will learn the imperative and exclamatory sentence. Okay. So what is the statement? What is the interrogative? What is the imperative? What is the exclamatory? Just I am going to give the small definition. So statement is a normal information. The statement is a normal information. Interrogative, that question marks. So interrogative, there are 2 types. WH question, WH, another one is yes or no type. Yes or no. Okay. So imperative, command, order, request, advice. These are imperative. Exclamatory sentence, the exclamation marks. The end of this word, the exclamation marks. And then the question itself, we can easily identify that. Exclaiming. Okay, so we can easily identify that what kinds of sentence. If you have an exclamatory marks, exclamation marks, we can easily say that exclamatory sentence. Okay. Thus now we are going to learn first statement. She shall do me. She shall do me. I read a newspaper. I read a newspaper. Change into indirect speech. Change into indirect. Okay. So thus we have to see that what I have said. First we have to look at that what kinds of sentence. She said to me, I read a newspaper, normal information. There is no imperative, there is no interrogative, there is no exclamatory. So we can use, what is that? Statement. Okay. So then after find out the kinds of sentence, so you can learn that verb form. What is the verb here? Read. So what is the rule? If we have present, we want to change past tense. Okay. So and then she said to me. There is one speaker and listener. She is a speaker. Said to me, listener, me. So instead of said to, we can use told. She told me, comma quotation. You can remove the comma quotation and you can use that. She told me that I read a newspaper. So I, who is I? She, that speaker. So we can use she. She told me that she read the newspaper. So present change into past, right? And pronoun she, said do, told. So that's good. Okay, one more example. If we have one speaker and listener, said do, instead of said do we can use told. That's rude. Okay. She says I completed my work. I completed my work. So how will you change? She says. Okay, there is no listener. So you can use she says that. Comma in quotations. No, that in conjunction. Statement conjunction only that. Says that I completed my work. Who? I, the speaker. She. So she and then verb here completed. Past tense. Simple past. If we have simple past for direct speech, we can use past perfect. She, past perfect, what is the rule? Had plus third form of verb. What is the verb here? Completed. So here past tense. So past tense change into past perfect for indirect speech. Completed. She had completed. She had completed. My work. Her work. Pronoun. Okay, repeat. She says that she had completed her work. So simple past change into past perfect. So this is a normal statement. Before we learn present, this is past. Okay. If we have present perfect for direct speech, how will it change? So present perfect. He said to her, I have done my work. We want to change into indirect speech. He told her that I have done. Present perfect change into past perfect. He had that he had done my work, his work. That's all. So had done. So this is present and simple past and present perfect we have done. Okay, we will continue in the next class. Thank you.